Ukrainian soldiers have released a video of what is reported to be the U.S.-supplied AeroVironment Switchblade loitering munition, known popularly as the suicide drone. According to some reports, like one from Militarnyi, the footage shows a tube-launched loitering munition in Switchblade 300 configuration. The 2.5 kilograms drone has a range of about 10 kilometers and its battery provides 10 minutes of flight time, according to a company fact sheet. The Switchblade 300s are ideally equipped for taking out lighter vehicles and personnel, which could imply that this particular attack was meant more for the crew positioned atop and around the tank rather than the armor itself. As noted by the company, packable and rapidly deployable from air, sea, or ground platforms, Switchblade 300 delivers increased warfighter lethality with real-time GPS coordinates and video for precise targeting with low collateral effects. As of today, over 700 Switchblade 300s have been sent to Ukraine by the United States as part of an $800 million aid package that was launched in March.